Welcome to this technical guide on the HP13. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP13 only charges when you hold the cable at a certain angle, it's likely that the charging port has become damaged or worn out. This issue can occur due to regular wear and tear or if the cable has been yanked out forcefully. If left unaddressed, this problem can worsen, leading to complete failure of the charging port, which could leave your device unusable. For this repair, you'll need a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a new charging port suitable for your HP13. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the precision screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel of your HP13. Be cautious as some screws may be hidden beneath rubber feet or stickers. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back panel, working your way around to avoid damaging the clips. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It will typically be situated near the power input section. Inspect it for any visible damage or debris. To extract the old charging port, gently disconnect any cables attached to it, taking care to note their positions. You may need to apply a bit of force, but be cautious not to damage surrounding components. Replace the old port with the new one, ensuring it fits snugly into place. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are secure. It's important to use just the right amount of force when tightening screws. Over-tightening could damage the motherboard. Once everything is reassembled, power on your device and test the charging functionality. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to avoid yanking on the charging cable and ensure you're using a compatible charger. Regularly inspect your cable for signs of wear and replace it if necessary to maintain optimal charging performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.